Step 6. Discussion and reflection. The great thing about cell films is that there is always lots to say about them. We can discuss, interpret, and analyze our cell films together, to share our experiences, to learn something new, to look at different perspectives, and to maybe understand our situations in a different way. We'll be sharing and discussing your cell film together with other youth on Zoom. What was your experience making a cell film? What does your cell film say about the pandemic? How is your cell film similar or different from other cell films about the pandemic? What do these cell films mean when we put them together? Who do you think should see them? We can't wait to hear what you think. Remember, your challenge is to make a 60-second cell film. It has to have a clear, simple message about your experiences during the pandemic. And don't forget to send us your instructions about how you want your cell film to be shared. Good luck, and don't forget to have fun.